Good morning students, class 10 chapter 14. In this chapter, in the previous video we have complete out exercise 14.1 question number 1 and 2, and we have already studied about two methods to find out mean. First method, direct method. Second method, assumed mean method. Direct method, mean is equal to sigma fi into xi upon sigma fi, where fi represent frequencies and xi represent class mark, and the formula is class mark upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Second method, assumed mean method, capital A plus in the numerator sigma fi into di and in the denominator sigma fi, where capital A represent assumed mean, di represent deviation, which is formula xi minus a, fi represent frequencies. And in the base of these two method, we have complete out question number 1, which is use this method, and question number 2, in which we use second method. Now we start third method, and the third method is very important, and method name is step deviation method, and it is called shortcut method. Obviously, step deviation method is the new form of assumed mean method, so it is also called shortcut method. The formula is mean is equal to capital A plus in the numerator small h multiply sigma fi into ui upon sigma fi. I again repeat, sigma always form like this, in which these two lines must be parallel. Capital A assumed mean, similarly assumed mean method, small h represent class size. Class size, it's mean upper class limit minus lower class limit. We also can say that it is the width of class. And ui xi minus a upon h, ui, because the value of ui in the question is always unique, so we can say that ui is a unique value, but it is not a official name. हम रिवाइज करने के अकॉर्डिंग ui को यूनिक वैल्यू कॉल कर सकते हैं, बट ये कोई ऑफिशियल नेम नहीं है. इट्स फॉर्मूला इज xi minus a upon h. नाउ वी सोल्व क्वेश्चन number 6 and use the method in the question number 6. Please note down question number 6 of exercise 14.1. Okay, I sure you have note down question number 6. What is the question number 6? The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 household in a locality. यानी कि एक लोकेलिटी में 25 हाउस होल्ड्स हैं, मतलब मकान है, जिनमें डेली का एक्सपेंडिचर दे रखा है. फाइंड द मीन डेली एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन फूड बाय अ सुटेबल मेथड डिपेंड ऑन यू, बिकॉज इन दिस क्वेश्चन numbers are very large, so we use step deviation method. वैसे we can use also assumed mean method, but to revise third method also we use step deviation method. According to the table, there are 4 houses in which daily expenditure 100 to 150. 5 houses are there in which daily expenditure 150 to 200, and so on. Note down question number 6, in which mean equal to question mark, and we use step deviation method. In the step deviation method, we draw 5 columns like assumed mean method, and in the that method we draw 4 columns. In the 5 columns, 2 columns depend on the question like direct method and assumed mean method, but we write class interval and fi self. And remaining 3 columns, third column is class mark, which is fixed like direct method and assumed mean method, and these 2 columns are different. Third column ui xi minus a upon h, and last column fi into ui. These 2 columns information is given, and we have just note down. Now we have to fulfill its third column, its mean class mark, and to find out class mark, upper limit plus lower limit upon 2, it's mean 250 upon 2, 125. 200 plus 150 upon 2, it's mean 175, 225, 275, and in the last 325. Now we select capital A. Capital A assumed mean, and we have discussed in the assumed mean method, capital A always we suppose in class mark, and generally or mostly we select the mid value, but it is not fixed. You can suppose any value, but generally we suppose mid value. So it is value of capital A. Now small h indicate class size, upper class limit minus lower class limit. You can use any class interval to find out class size 50. And one thing is, remember, this method is always can be used if class size is different in class size is same in any class is every class interval. हर एक क्लास इंटरवल में क्लास साइज की वैल्यू सेम होनी कंपलसरी है. इफ देयर आर डिफरेंट क्लास साइज, then we can't use step division method, then we use assumed mean method or direct method. So it is a foundation for step division method. Class size must be same in every class interval. So what is the value of class size? 50. Now find out ui xi minus a upon h, xi minus a, xi में से a को माइनस करेंगे, द वैल्यूज minus 100 and minus 100 divided by 50 we get minus 2. 175 minus 225 and divided by 50 we get minus 50 and 50 divided, then minus 1. Then this value is subtracted by self, then 0. Similarly 1 and 2. And the value of ui always like this. It's mean where we suppose capital A, there is always 0, and above it minus 1, minus 2 and so on, and below it 1, 2, 3. So we can say ui as a unique value. 0 ऊपर चलेंगे तो नेगेटिव और नीचे आएंगे तो पॉजिटिव ऑलवेज. नाउ fi इंटू ui -8 -5 0 2 and 4. Sigma fi 25 already in the given. Now we find out their sum. We find out sum of these two number -13 and sum of these two number 6. So their sum is -7. Now put the value in the formula. 225 plus 50 multiply -7 upon 25. 225 minus 14 and the answer is 211 rupees per house. It's mean approx हर हाउस 211 rupees खर्च करता है डेली एक्सपेंडिचर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नोट डाउन इट. Okay student, now we have to do question number 3. Question number 3 is a different from remaining questions because in this question the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality, यानी कि किसी लोकेलिटी में बच्चों को कितनी पॉकेट मनी मिलती है उसके अकॉर्डिंग दे रखा है. द मीन पॉकेट अलाउंस इज ₹18 एंड फाइंड द मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी. इन दिस क्वेश्चन मीन इज गिवन एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी. So we can say that it is a single missing frequency problem in which mean equal to ₹18 is given, and we can use any method, but generally we use step division method mostly. And the condition for step division method is the class size for each class interval must be same. You can say that class size in every class interval is 2. So now we use a step division method to find out single missing frequency problem. In the step division method, we prepare 5 columns in which first 2 columns are depend on the question, and we write always class interval in the first column and second column fi. These 3 columns are fixed. Third column class mark, same direct method and assumed mean method. Third column ui xi minus a upon h, and the fifth column fi into ui. These are first 2 columns whose information is given. Now we fill the third column class mark. Class mark xi, the formula is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Sum of these two numbers is 24 upon 2, it means 12. Sum of these two numbers is 28, it means 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and obviously 24. It's a class mark xi, and we say that these are mid value of this class interval, it is mid value of this class interval, and so on. Now we select capital A, assumed mean. We have already discussed about this. Assume mean capital A may be any value in this class mark, but we generally take mid value. But in single missing frequency problem, we always consider capital A just near to missing frequency. So we consider capital A 20. Again repeat, in the missing frequency problem, we suppose capital A in xi, which is just near to missing frequency. So it is a capital A. Now we fulfill this column ui. In the previous question, we discussed that value of ui is always unique. It means where we suppose capital A in this row ui is 0 always, and above is continue -1, -2, -3 and -4, and below +1 and +2. Now we fill the fifth column fi into ui. It's mean multiply these two numbers, -28, -18, also -18, -13, 0, 5 and 8. Now we find out sigma fi. Some of these numbers, these and these, because it is a unknown number, so sigma fi f plus, and sum of remaining numbers is 44. So f plus 44. Now we find out sigma fi into ui. Firstly we find out some of these numbers, and some of these numbers is -77, and some of these two numbers is +13, and after this the sum is -64, and h upper limit minus lower limit, so value of h is 2. Now put the values in the formula and we find out missing frequency. Mean 18 is equal to capital A 20 plus h, 2 multiplies sigma fi ui upon sigma fi, 44 plus f. Now to calculate is, firstly we take 20 in LHS. 18 minus 20 is equal to 2 multiply -64 upon 44 plus f, minus 2 is equal to 2 multiply -64 upon 44 plus f, 2 or minus cancel, after cross multiply 44 plus f equal to 64, so f is equal to 20. So the value of missing frequency is 20. I hope you understood. Okay, you have to do these questions in homework. First question, that method. Second, assumed. Third step, 4th assumed, 5th step, 6th step, 7th step, 8th assumed, 9th step. In the question number 8, class size are different, so we can't use step division method, so we use step division method, assumed mean method. In the question number 5, firstly you convert into continue class interval. टू कंटिन्यू क्लास इंटरवल 50 में से आप 0.5 माइनस करेंगे, 52 में 0.5 ऐड करेंगे, एस 53 में से 0.5 माइनस करेंगे, 55 में 0.5 प्लस करेंगे. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन डिस्कस विद मी. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट टॉपिक मोड ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी, मोड स्टडी करेंगे अबाउट मोड. थैंक यू.